Construction sites are prone to fires due to flammable materials, complex machinery, and temporary structures. The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, identifies welding, cutting, and hot work as leading causes. Human error and carelessness also contribute significantly. Fires cause property damage, financial loss, project delays, and tragically, loss of life. Injuries and fatalities are common among workers and firefighters. This means fire prevention plans, regular safety training, and fire-resistant materials are essential. Advanced detection systems and hot work permits are also crucial. Creating a culture of safety and embracing technology can significantly reduce fire risks on construction sites, but more needs to be done. Check out the recommendations at talk.build